In my family, Sundays were for spaghetti, always served with Mima sauce and meatballs. Mima was my grandmother, Leonora Topazio, a force of nature and the matriarch of our family until her death in 2010 at nearly 102. When I left home, Mima spaghetti sauce anchored me. It was the one family recipe I wrote down, and I still have it today. Before foodies were in fashion, Mima insisted on extra virgin olive oil, real Parmesan cheese, fresh Italian herbs, garlic, and of course, meatballs made from scratch. Because this was how she learned to cook.
Mima, tell us your spaghetti sauce recipe. How did you learn to make it and what is in it?
Well, my spaghetti sauce is my grandma's recipe.
Once I had my own family, I introduced my kids to her spaghetti and meatballs at an early age. Recently, I found a book that my son created in kindergarten. Sam was a picky eater, but you can see what he liked to eat at age 5. Mima's spaghetti sauce connects the generations of my family, and passing it on extends her legacy and honors her memory.
I'm Amanda, and I'm going to show you how to make my great-grandmother Mima's meatballs. Hi, I'm Marissa, and I'm going to show you how to make Mima's spaghetti sauce.